Communicable diseases prevalent in India, presented by Sahil Poddar. A disease is a particular abnormal condition that negatively affects the structural of all or part of an organism. Communicable diseases means an illness caused by infectious agent or its toxin that occurs through the direct or indirect transmission of infectious agent. In India, there are many communicable diseases such as typhoid, TB, cholera, malaria, dengue, etc. First, we will see typhoid. Introduction. Typhoid is an infection that spreads through unhygienic food and water. Vaccines are recommended in areas where typhoid fever is common. It is also called as enteric fever. Infection caused by typhoid. It is caused by the bacteria Salmonella typhi. These diseases are spread through sewage contamination of food or water. People who are actually currently ill and people who are recovered but are still passing the bacteria in their poop can also spread typhoid. Signs and symptoms caused by typhoid: high temperature that increases every day, headache, extreme tiredness, constipation, general pain, cough and cold. You can see in the picture. Treatment for typhoid. After 2 days, 1 gram dissolved with 101 Ns and slow IV for about 10 to 14 days. 2 gram dissolved with 100 ms LL and slow IV till in 24 hours for about 2 days. Prevention of typhoid. Avoiding food that is raw or uncooked. Use light food. Receiving a typhoid fever vaccination. Fresh fruit juices. Drinking only bottled water or water that is boiled. Coconut water and eat banana. Avoid raw fruits and vegetables that cannot be peeled. Next one is tuberculosis. You can see the pictures of TB. Infection caused by tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by bacterium called as Mycobacterium tuberculosis, a potentially serious infectious bacterial disease that mainly affects the lungs. The bacteria that causes tuberculosis are spread when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Signs and symptoms caused by tuberculosis: coughing for 3 or more weeks, weight loss, night sweat, high temperature, tiredness and fatigue, loss of appetite, swelling in the neck. As you can see the picture, treatment for the tuberculosis. The treatment of consists of 4 drugs: rifaximin, pyrazidamide, ethambutol, FDC isocyanates. Prevention to be done for tuberculosis: good ventilation, as TB can remain suspended in the air for several hours with no ventilation. Natural light, UV light kills off TB bacteria. Good hygiene, covering the mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing reduces the spread of TB. Next one is cholera. Infection. Cholera is an acute diarrheal illness caused by infection of intestine with the bacterial Vibrio cholera. A bacterium called Vibrio cholera causes cholera infection. A person can get cholera by drinking water or eating contaminated food. The disease can spread rapidly in areas with inadequate treatment of sewage and potholes and the drinking water. Signs and symptoms of cholera you can see in the picture: sunscreen eyes, dry mouth, muscle cramping, weakness, vomiting, irregular heartbeat, no urinating, fatigue, extreme thirst, blood pressure drops due to dehydration, vibrio cholera, and many more. Treatment done on cholera: IV fluids, delivering fluids, medication, or blood directed in vein; oral dehydration therapy, giving fluid by mouth to treat dehydration caused by diarrhea; antimicrobial therapy can diminish duration of diarrhea, reduce volume of rehydration fluids needed, and shorten duration of weak cholera excursion, as it is very important. And the prevention of cholera: make sure to drink and use water to brush your teeth. Wash and prepare food and make ice. Wash your hands often with soap and safe water. Use latrines or bury your poop. Do not poop in any body of the water. Clean up safely in the kitchen and in places where family baths and washes clothes. Cook food well, keep it covered and eat it hot. Never eat stale food. The next one is malaria. As you can see, introduction. Malaria is a mosquito-borne disease caused by Plasmodium, which is transmitted by the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquito. The term malaria originates from the Italian word mala aria, which means bad air. The severity of malaria varies based on the species of Plasmodium. Infection caused by malaria. Malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasite. There are many different types of Plasmodium parasite, but only 5 types cause malaria in humans. The malaria parasite enter that bloodstream and travel to the liver. Malaria spreads when a mosquito becomes infected with the disease after biting an infected person, and the infected mosquito then bites a non-infected person. In such a way, the malaria is caused, so we should take care of it. You can see the photo in which first the mosquito bites, then infection, then sporocytosis, then merotocytes and asexual cycle happens, then the gametocytes, and the last one transmission to mosquito and same. It's a cycle of malaria. Signs and symptoms of malaria. Symptoms of malaria include fever and flu-like illness, dry cough, shaking, chills, headache, muscle ache, back pain, and tiredness. Vomiting and diarrhea may also occur. Malaria may cause anemia and jaundice because of loss of red blood cell. Treatment of malaria. Malaria is treated with anti-malarial and measures to control symptoms, including medication to control fever and fluids. Drug used in the treatment of malaria are quinine, quinine, chloroquine, hydrochloroquine, aminochloroquine, primaquine, and many more. Prevention done for malaria. Malaria can often be avoided using the ABCD approach to prevention, which stands for awareness of risk. Find out whether you are at a risk of getting malaria. Bite prevention. Avoid mosquito bites by using insect repellent, covering your arms and legs, and using a mosquito net. Treating women during pregnancy, as many pregnant women have low or immunity and breathing problems. And the last one is dengue. Introduction. A mosquito-borne viral disease occurring in tropical and subtropical areas. The alternative name for dengue is breakbone fever, which comes from the associated muscles and joint pain. Those who become infected with the virus a second time at a significantly greater risk of developing severe disease. Infection caused by dengue. Dengue is spread through the bite of female mosquito. The mosquito becomes infected when it takes the blood of a person infected with the virus. After 1 week, the mosquito can transmit the virus while biting a healthy person. What is dengue? What are its symptoms? You can see in the photo. It is clearly mentioned. We have to take care while we have got dengue. Signs and symptoms of dengue: fever, headache, muscle ache, bone or joint pain, vomiting, pain behind the eyes, swollen glands, skin rash, nausea, loss of sense and taste and appetite, measles like rashes over chest and upper limbs, which worsens the eye movement also, several frontal headache, and many more. Treatment done for dengue. The best option to treat dengue symptoms are paracetamol or acetaminophen. There is no specific treatment for dengue fever. Fever reducers and painkillers can be taken to control the symptoms of muscle ache and pains and fever. Aspirin, other cyticates, and non-industrial anti-inflammatory drugs should be avoided. Prevention for dengue. Use insecticide spray in dark corner and burn repellent oil. Turn over all the waste storage container when empty and store them under a shelter. Use mosquito nets or mosquito repellents while sleeping. We can follow the diet as follow. Drink juice extracted from papaya leaves. Have more of fresh fruits. Eat more of green leafy vegetable. Increase your water intake. Consume protein rich food. Eat easily digestible food. And that's much for today. Thank you so much, sir.